Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. This might be a first here on the channel. We are reviewing an accessory for an accessory. This is Nexus Orbit's two pads that are replacement pads for the BOBOVR S3 Pro. They're Ice Silk and Ice Gel pad. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you how to put them on, and I'm going to give you my full review and tell you if this makes the S3 Pro even better. Alright, so pretty simple unboxing there. Inside of the box, we have our Ice Silk pad and our Ice Gel pad. Now you can feel the difference. The gel feels a lot more dense. Honestly, even just to the touch right now, it even feels cooler than just the Ice Silk, so I'm interested to test that out. Obviously, if you're purchasing these, you're going to want to have the BOBOVR S3 Pro head strap. So here I've got mine, and for assembly of these, you're going to need to remove the existing forehead pad, which is made of that leather material, so we're going to do that here. And now if we line these up, we can even put it in the middle there, you can see we are looking at the same shape and the same size between the two. So I'm going to be testing them both eventually here anyways, but we can grab just one of them here, and we are going to need to line it up. Just make a little bit of room there. I always find it easier if I just kind of fold these in half, find the middle, and then work my way towards the outsides. And I didn't have any doubt, but that fits just perfectly in there, exactly how it should. If you need to make any adjustments, just peel it back and move it. There we go, as you see fit. And then you're good to go. So that's our assembly there. I'm going to go and try both of these out, and I'm excited to test them because I really like these types of materials for forehead pads. So we'll come back and give you my review in just a minute. Okay, so I've had a chance to try out these new pads, and honestly, I think they are a great addition to your BOBOVR S3 Pro head strap. Again, it comes with the two. This is the Ice Silk Gel. This is just the Ice Silk fabric that I have on there. The gel is obviously a bit more dense than the fabric, but both do a really good job at still keeping your head cool and just providing more comfort overall. Not that the leather is bad. The leather's not bad. It's easy to wipe and easy to clean, but I've always preferred the Ice Silk material anyways, so the fact that you get two of them in this one, in my opinion, makes it a great deal. And again, if you're wanting a little bit of a different feel for your S3 Pro and you already have it, this does a really good job. Because of the fan placement and this material, I thought it kept my forehead a lot cooler, because with the leather, it kind of blocks that airflow, but with this fabric material, it allows some airflow to kind of move through it a little bit and keep that nice and cool the whole time you are playing. So in the end, I think this is a great upgrade. If you want it, I'll link below where you can find it so that you can purchase it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.